My name is Lindsay Blair, and I'm the president of Rural Impact Canada.
I'm Louise Fragnito. I'm the CAO for the Township of South Frontenac.
I'm Chris Collins, and I'm the manager of land development at Robinson Engineering in Ottawa.
My name's Wayne Murray. I'm the site manager for the Meadows Park.
Currently, the majority of the housing that's being built in rural and small municipalities are single-family homes. And while this does serve a need, it doesn't address the wider needs of the residents of those communities. We have to be building housing that enables people to age in place, that provides accessible options to renters and homeowners, and also supportive housing options. In rural and small municipalities across Canada, land is sitting vacant, and the majority of this vacant land actually doesn't have full municipal service systems for it to connect to.
There's a host of issues ranging from current zoning that may not coincide with the lands that want to be developed to lands that have environmental issues, that have groundwater issues, and that have issues related to the nature of the land that hinders the approval process to move forward to a point where you can actually get into detailed design and ultimately approval.
Rural Impact Canada creates programs that build. We bring municipalities and housing developers together to create vibrant communities and the housing that those communities need. Approaching the housing crisis and increasing affordability requires a holistic approach, and our programs do just that. How we do this is we've developed a process and we provide a step-by-step guide, the resources and tools, and the management to execute and manage risk in delivering our programs. Our programs are designed to fill gaps that currently exist for information, education, tools and resources, risk mitigation, and execution management.
Some of the issues that we're excited about working with Rural Impact Canada on is the challenges to take raw land from its current state to a point where registration can happen and building can then start in those local communities.
So South Frontenac decided to do the MSc and the MHD program through Rural Impact because as a municipality, we don't have any other housing. We've never done this before. And it's one of those things where municipalities always try to learn from experience from others, but there's always different nuances when you're doing it yourself.
Throughout 2025, we anticipate that we're going to be progressing over 500 units of housing that would have not otherwise been able to progress to building permit. And we believe our full housing impact over the next 3 years is going to be over 4,000 housing units. We're currently taking vacant land that has sat idle for several years, and we're progressing it through pre-development to the building permit submission stage. The municipalities and housing developers that are taking our program are now actually seeing those projects move forward.
The project in the community that we have here has given us sort of a purpose in our retirement and given us security as far as a safe place to live. I believe projects like this are very vital to communities. It makes for affordable living where people can come, they can downsize and enjoy their retirement and have a community that they can be a part of. And I'd love to be able to see more communities like we have here within the province.
What the Housing Supply Challenge has allowed us to do is continue to invest into these programs to create more time and cost savings and continue to address other system-level issues that rural and small municipalities across Canada are facing. We've been able to scale our programs not only throughout Ontario, but across Eastern Canada, and develop strategic partnerships with those who are working within our programs and who are also developing. And by 2026, we anticipate having scaled our programs across all of Canada.